Where are you going?
Yes.
Upstairs?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Go ahead.
Yes.
Now you're sliding down the stair? Keep going up. Let's go upstairs so we can take a bath. Up you go. Go ahead. Yeah. Our little crawler up the stairs. Now you want to go down? Where are you going? Crosby. Where are you going? Let's go into the bathroom. Can you go run the bath?